I'm Sister Carmen AC. The theme of our exhibition, Nature, Our Lifeline. We chose this theme because we wanted to teach our students the importance about the nature. Through this exhibition, we have shown from the time this beautiful world was created by God and over the years, how this earth turned into different types of disastrous things such as deforestation, natural calamities, noise pollution, water pollution, what is happening to our nature. So through this exhibition, we wanted to show to other students also. So I have invited around 11 schools, they have come. So not only our students will learn through this exhibition, also other students also will learn from the other school. 14 classes were involved in this exhibition. The primary showed about how the nature God had created. Middle school students spoke about the buildings, and the high school students explained about how can we conserve this nature to sustain, how we can sustain, I mean to say how we can sustain our world at large. Both working models also were created. Then ninth standard also brought about how the activities are working to save our planet. So different posters, all the activities posters also were put up for the students to know, and in future they are the ones who will take care of the nature. Thank you.
I'm very proud and happy to be at this exhibition here because I've been a parent and my child has studied in this school. That's how I came. And it's a wonderful concept and very realistically done, very good coming together of knowledge and interest. The teachers have guided the students so well, and they are so thorough in what all exhibits they have put up. Very thought-provoking and very interesting topic, and I'm happy that the children of Holy Rosary have scientifically explored their intellect and been ably guided by their elders, the teachers, the parents, and it is evident that there is lots of inputs from everybody and very encouraging methods and concept. There's good educative value in this, and I wish most schools would carry on this model because this is what will ensure sustainable future.
So our project is sustainable home. Sustainable home means sustainable environment. So we have come here. So we have made kitchen garden, composting, biogas, and grey water filtration.
My name is Valentia Jelshadais and I'm from 7th standard. We, the students of standard 7, our topic is pollution, and we are talking about pollution and their causes. There is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Thank you.